Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we baked some savory cheese biscuits or scones, which are light, fluffy, and full of flavor. Add baking powder, baking soda, salt, and sugar to the all-purpose flour. Add garlic powder and ground black pepper and stir. Mix in the cold butter with a fork or pastry knife until the mixture is crumbly. Thinly slice the spring onions. Stir cheese and spring onions into the flour mixture. In a separate bowl, beat together 2 eggs and milk. Add the egg mixture to the dry ingredients and mix well. Spoon out the biscuit dough into a tray lined with parchment. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 minutes or until the top of the biscuits are golden brown. This recipe makes 20 biscuits. The biscuits make a wonderful snack or addition to any meal but go especially well with soup or salads. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.